Hello, in this video I want to show you top 5 tips you can use to improve the quality of your pictures for Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first let's take all of the settings you can change in the camera settings right here. So the first one is aspect ratio, and I would make sure that I'm using 3:4. It lowers the camera view but improves the sharpness and quality of the image. You can enable HDR. I would actually make sure that it's enabled, as it also improves the sharpness of the image by a lot. But here I would also keep the camera stable and not move it when taking your photos. Next is to go to the settings, then AI settings, and enable shot optimization, as it improves the lighting and color of your pictures with the AI settings. Go to the settings again, select photos and change front camera photo resolution to high resolution, and it does what it says, increases resolution and that way quality of your photos. The last one is to go for the settings and capture settings, enable tap anywhere to capture. Now if you click on your screen anywhere, it will make a photo. That way you can take more stable photos and not move your phone at all with a simple click, and it will make your photos a lot less blurry and more sharp, as your phone is not moving when taking the pictures with the shutter at the bottom. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.